Hi students, welcome to chemistry online classes. Now I am discussing about the chemical properties of aldehydes and ketones. In the last class, little bit discussed that is addition of HCN, hydrogen cyanide. HCN meaning what? Hydrogen cyanide. Other it is also called methane nitrile. IUPAC name, methane nitride. Now, consider here this is R C double bond O H. This is aldehyde. If H is not there, R dash may be there. It may any other alkyl group it is there. R dash will be same. If you have CH3, here also CH3 will be same. If you have CH3, here will be ether. That is whatever you want, you can take no problem. Reaction with the pure HCl. This is pure. It means nothing is added anything. So pure HCl. Then we will get here R C O and here H R dash. See here H plus form is Cl minus form. Plus will be added to this. And minus will add to here because this minus comes to here and this will come to here. This is negative charge, this positive charge bond form. Then here like this and here Cl. This is called cyanohydrine. Cyanohydrine. Which cyanohydrine? If aldehyde is there, aldehyde cyanohydrine. If ketone is there, ketone cyanohydrine. I wrote only cyanohydrine name. If acetaldehyde is there, for example, acetaldehyde is there with acetaldehyde cyanohydrine form. Acetone is there, acetone cyanohydrine form. Generally, what we call this is cyanohydrine. Aldehyde, ketone. That form I want to represent. General form I wrote here. This is called cyanohydrine. Okay. But this reaction is not much favorable for forward reaction. Here I give equilibrium symbol. Equilibrium symbol given me reactant converted to product, product also converted to reactant. Why it is not much favorable for the forward reaction being here? It is actually covalent compound. This HCN is covalent compound. When it is negative, when it is positive, this bond should be break. If it is break like this, then it is negative, this is positive. But we know that according to equilibrium chapter, any equilibrium chapter, HCN is weak acid. Weak acid means tendency to donate H plus ion is very less. When it is tendency to donate H plus is very less, this bond is not easily break down. So it is not easily break down. So to convert it to minus and plus it is difficult. When it is not converted into minus form, attacking is difficult. Thus, in pure form, this reaction formation is cyanohydride formation somewhat difficult. Then what we have to do? We have to increase the rate of reaction by adding some other reagent. Now, R C double bond O H R dash is aldehyde or ketone. React with the HCl also is there. Along with we can add KCN. When you add KCN, we know this any compound. This is which one? Covalent compound. If this mixture is added to this one, then it is K plus and this Cn minus 1. It means negative charge will be on the carbon, not nitrogen. Carefully you have to observe. Negative charge present on, actually it is on carbon, not on nitrogen, because cyanide this is. Okay, isocyanide that is nitrogen, but now keep in mind negative charge present on the carbon. Now we have a mixture H plus also, HCN also and KCN also. In that is readily available negative form. It is already readily available as a Cn minus. Therefore, in that the Cn will easily attack to here and then let this H plus attack slowly. Then we will get the same product. Product is same. But the rate of formation is very fast. Rate is increased. Again here equilibrium only. But here equilibrium constant for forward reaction is more. Here equilibrium constant. If you write that this is called K equilibrium. Equilibrium in what is that? Product concentration by reactant concentration. Here M, here N. What are the stoichiometric coefficient? Here K equilibrium value is less. Here K equilibrium value is more for forward reaction. Reason what is that? Here already this meter file form readily available. Otherwise, according to our textbook, this is also given R, maybe like this one. R C double bond OH or R dash react with the HCl in basic medium. In basic medium. For example, NaOH is taken. If you take NaOH, also reaction rate increase. If you add KCl or NaOH, rate of reaction is increasing compared with the pure form. How it is linked, that already explained here. I will explain for this also. OH product formation is same. There is no difference. Product formation same. Add here addition reaction is not eliminated substitution. We know already what is the meaning of addition. Why here rate of reaction is fast compared with this reason? Here HCl is a covalent compound. When react with this basic form, it will OH minus. In this Na plus OH minus form, this OH minus deprotonate like this. Then it is turned into OH and H form, H2O and Cl minus form. So what happened here? OH minus deprotonates easily. Basic note that which attract or which abstract the proton. Abstracted proton and form which one? Cl minus. Now Cl minus readily available compared with here. Here breaking is difficult. Acid-base reactions are very fast. You know that in first year. Keep in mind once again acid-base reactions are very fast. Otherwise you will once again maybe little bit know in chemical chemistry how many types of reactions are there. Fast reaction, slow reaction, very slow reaction. Like this we can divide based on the reaction rate. So here rate is fast and readily available. Then here also K equilibrium will be greater, here less, here both are nearly equal. But keep in mind, in basic medium, reaction is more favorable backwards also. That's and here sometimes they may ask the question, I will give here, to form the cyanohydrin in basic medium. What is the pH required? Option A 7, option B 8, option C 10, option D 14 pH. This is the pH. What is the pH is required in basic medium to carry it out to formation of cyanohydrin? This is one of the important questions for NEET level JEE. So I given here NaOH, you have to decide how much pH is required. Now this formed product also here cyanohydrin form. This is a question I am giving for you. I am not answering here. Little bit you have to think. If you are all thinking, I will explain. Simply you will note down and there is no into your mind. That's why I am giving some question for you. Now the question is, this is the form. This carbon H is there. Now I am not considering R dash, only H considered. I am not considering R dash. Otherwise I will remove this. For example, this is cyanohydrin. R is a ketone, H is an already we know that. Now I have removed R. This carbon, chiral carbon or not? Chiral carbon means all groups should be different. H, cyanide, R, OH. All different is it? Generally chiral carbon denoted with this carbon. Now this chiral carbon formed compound is D compound or EL compound. It means DL nomenclature you know in the first year. That's make mixture. Otherwise, in analog chapters or maybe explain that DL. Now it is D form or EL form or both. Here this compound aldehyde or ketone. Now I am considering aldehyde only. It means this OH up is there. If OH down also may be there. Cyanide may go up. Because the possibility what is that here, I will write this in this form, very clear. Generally in Fischer reaction, the most oxidized form should be up. This is the most oxidized form. That's why I will write it. Cyanide, this R, and here is carbon, this is carbon, this is a H, this is OH. Whatever is the, there is only error here. There is no any difficulty. R only, CHOH, CHOH and cyanide. If maybe line is also possible. OH may be left, H may be right. According to RS nomenclature, then RS configuration is different. This is the first priority group, this is the second priority group, this is the third priority group. 1 to 2, 2 to 3. Which clockwise or anti-clockwise? This is anti-clockwise. Anti-clockwise means S configuration, clockwise means R configuration. But when fourth priority group on horizontal line, it is reversed. So actually yes, but when it is reversed, this is R. Then it is first priority, this second priority, this third priority, 1 to 2, 2 to 3. We don't go up to 4, only 3 required. Okay? Now, clockwise direction is, but when horizontal fourth priority group present, that is reverse, then it is yes. So it is R also formed, S also formed. Then it is called, for example, we cannot say optical isomer by looking our eyes, this OH is right side, D compound, OH is left side, L compound. We cannot say. It is compulsory experimentally we have to decide by polarimeter experiment. Just consider, I am considering this D compound, this is L compound. I am not saying compulsory this D, compulsory this L. It may be L also, it may be D also. Just considering here, both may be formed. That's why the formal compound is BRL. Otherwise, it can be represented like this DL compound, BRL, DL compound. Otherwise, it may be represented plus or minus. You may be knowing the halogen chapter racemic mixture. Racemic mixture is denoted by plus or minus. So, totally what you call the formal compound is here racemic mixture. Racemic mixture. Racemic mixture meaning what is that? Racemic mixture meaning what is that? A pair of enantiomer. This is a one pair enantiomer. Molecular formula same. But one is D, another is L. That's what is called a pair of enantiomers. Very important for competitive exam. Each exam, what is important? Just this line important. First line. Other one more statement what you have read in this pure form rate of reaction is less. To speed up the rate of reaction, we are adding KCN, HCN plus KCN or for along with HCN, we can add any OH also. This is a PUC form. One or two line. Competitive report, what is that? This basic pH, how much? What are the product form? It is chiral or achiral. If you take R here, I want to take R. If this R and this R may be same, that time it is not chiral. If here R and here R are same meaning, it is not chiral. Carefully you have to answer. So, it form, it may be DL compound is a racemic mixture is a pair of enantiomers. This is very important. Now, keep in mind, this cyanide bonded to this carbon. So, what are the important points here? Carbon-carbon bond formed here. What is it? Carbon-carbon bond formed. Next, these are the intermediate for some other product formation. So, cyanohydrins are intermediates. In textbook, if you read each and everything is very clearly given, but that is in the form of paragraph, you will not find out the exact point. If like is given, it is easy for you. Cyanohydrins are intermediate for some other product formation. So I will give how it is intermediate. Okay. Now I am taking this example. R means I want to take CH3. In examination, if you don't know this general form, you can write this form also in PUC. R means CH3 C double bond O H. This is what you call acetaldehyde. This is called acetaldehyde. This acetaldehyde react with, now I want to take this one, HCN, KCN mixture because rate is fast. HCN, KCl mixture. Then what you will get? This is generally reversible reaction. CH3C, already same product. R means CH3 is OH cyanide hexane. Then I will write here OH cyanide. Clear? Now this is called acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde cyanohydrin. Acetaldehyde cyanohydrin. Now it is intermediate. If you take that lithium aluminium hydride in the first step, second step is the acidic hydrolysis. We know in the alcohol chapter. These are the reducing agent. Cyanide is converted into amine. CH3COH, and I wanted H is down. Anywhere no problem. And this is converted to CH2. This is converted to CH2, this is NH. It will addition of hydrogen is reduction. Hydrogen is added to this carbon CH2 NH. Then it is what you call amine. What is converted? Amine form converted. Otherwise, this can be like this also possible. Acidic hydrolysis. H3O plus when heat symbol is given. Then this cyanide part is converted to CH3. This I am write OH only. And this H I am write down, write down. This cyanide is converted to COOH along with this NH4 plus form. This will again we will know in the carboxylic acid. Just remembering purpose, this cyanide is on acidic hydrolysis or basic hydrolysis converted which one? COOH. See, now cyanide is converted which one? Carboxylic acid. That's why these are intermediate for next products. If you don't want, this is only for competitive exam. But in your textbook it is given as that these are the cyanohydrides or intermediates board given. So how these are acting as intermediate? I give this reaction. PUC exam purpose, you want it up to here only right. Aldehyde, cyanohydride. Enough. Now we are discussing about the ketones. Because now aldehyde respectively I given ketones. If you take the ketone CH3, C double bond O, CH3, both sides CH3, that is acetone react with the, you can take any one, that is HCl and KCl mixture I am taking now. NaCl also take, no problem. When you are taking here KCl also, NaCl also, no problem. Anyone take, don't take the both. Anyone, KCl or NaCl. Then we will get here CH3COH and cyanide and this CH3. Now, this is not chiral carbon. Chiral carbon means what is that? All groups should be different. CH3, same in what do you call this is? Achiral. It means it do not form Pacific picture. Like this is not possible. If it is here ethyl group, then here ethyl, then that is possible. Okay? So I explain now with aldehyde also cyanohydrin form, with ketone also cyanohydrin form. What is the name of this compound? Acetone cyanohydrin. Acetone cyanohydrin. Now, if they ask the question in PUC exam also, competitive exam also, which is more favorable for forward reaction, aldehydes or ketone? Now the question, if they ask. So already I explained in the first chemical properties, which is more reactive, aldehydes or ketone. That's why once again I am giving question, which will be having more K equilibrium. More K equilibrium. Option A, aldehydes. B, ketones. C, both A and C having equal K equilibrium. equal K equilibrium, D none. It means none is not right option. You can give ketones having very high K equilibrium. Then which is the correct answer? Here ketones are given. Here also keto given. But here moderate K equilibrium. But here very high K equilibrium. Then which is the correct answer? You have to judge here. Option A correct, B correct, C, D. Once again, refer the previous video for chemical properties which is more reactive. So according to this will be we can judge which having the K equilibrium. K equilibrium what is that? In the equilibrium chapter you learn like this also. K equilibrium is 10 power 3 to 10 power any higher value is there. Forward reaction. Otherwise, I think this forward reaction. If less than 100 or something is there, that is called backward reaction. Like this, once again refer the chemical equilibrium chapter. Higher than K equilibrium value, that is forward reaction. Like this, we have to check. Now, one more question here. Options are here I am giving now. Which is the most favorable? Which is most favorable reaction for cyanohydrin formation? Option A, aldehydes or ketones react with the HCN. They form RCOH, H on R dash cyanide. Second reaction between option A, option B. Option B is RC double bond O, H on R dash plus HCN. Then here I am giving NaOH. It's same product form. C option RC double bond O, H on R dash plus what do you call it? KCN, and along with the acid HCl. So acid if you take, then they are the same product form. D all it means all here. A, B, C option all are having equal range or equal favorable. Then which option is correct? We have to judge here. Now this option is discussed first one, pure HCN, and second option is already discussed here with the basic medium. Third option not discussed, but the third option discussed in the chemical properties. In starting of the chemical properties, third option I discussed. So totally, in which condition it is more favorable for forward reaction, we have to judge. So all I am giving the question why for the students will already I explained in the previous video, at least you are utilizing the knowledge or not. So if you are utilizing, you will answer here, otherwise you can't answer. So this is about the sign of reaction. Okay, one more reaction example I will give now. Okay. Now these are the two questions I am giving homework for you. What is the product form with this reaction? You can write here KCN, HCN mixture also, or HCN NaOH mixture also. Any only mixture, one of the mixture what I given here. Next, which of the following having the higher the K equilibrium or more K equilibrium? Higher K equilibrium. Which of the following having higher K equilibrium? Option A, benzaldehyde. Option B, benzaldehyde on this one of the CH3 OCH3 methyl C2 given. C option, aldehyde NRR. Amine given D, all having equal K equilibrium. You have to answer this. Like so many questions will be available, but I want to stop here only. This is a homework question. This one, this two, this is a third question. Now, one more addition. First addition is addition with the HCl. This is second addition reaction. Addition of NaHSO3. NaHSO3, what is the name? Sodium hydrogen sulfide. Sodium hydrogen sulfide. Otherwise, old is IUP is mentioned. Otherwise, simply it is called sodium bisulfide. This is old name or common name type also, but this is IUPAC. General intention this is used than this one. But in some type competitive they may also use this one. Sodium bisulfide board also they may use. Now consider RC double bond O H or R aldehyde or ketone react with this NaHSO3. It is also equilibrium and form first one of the intermediate O minus Na and H or R dash and SO3H. Here this reaction again immediately convert into R